I'm Aisha Giwa, and I was awaiting my results to the University of Ghana when I found out about the WOSC program. I applied for it, and by the grace of God, I was given the opportunity to learn to study electrical installation and solar installation in Anointed Technical Training Institute. When I initially heard of the program, I was actually kind of discouraged because it was women enrolling into male-dominated areas, and I thought when I enroll into electrical installations, because they say it's a dangerous thing, I would be harmed or something. But then after I came to the school, I realized that it's actually not dangerous at all once you adhere to the safety protocols of electricity or electricals. In the course of the program, I have been able to wire various lightning circuits, of which a two-way lightning circuit is part. A two-way lightning circuit allows you to control a bulb or a lamp from two different points. For instance, when you enter your hall, you can turn on the lamp in your hall from the entrance of the hall, and then also when you're exiting the hall to any other room, you can turn off the same lamp from the exit point. This is the use of a two-way circuit, and this is how it is wired. So I think this opportunity has been a blessing to me, because initially I thought it was dangerous to venture into the electrical field, but then after I ventured into it, I found out that it's actually a very safe field. And I think women out there shouldn't be guarded with the misconception that what men can do, women can't do, because we can equally do everything a man can do. And I think women should venture into male-dominated areas because there are great opportunities there for women. After this course, I see myself as a very independent woman in terms of finances and everything. And also, I think I would have the ability to help other young females venture into male-dominated areas, just like I have. Thank you.